Oh no, we better go back. It might suit us. No, we were told to get control of the cannon. Now hurry up. Let's go. Okay. Oh, we're falling off. Lloyd, hold the ear. Let's rumble over it. Oh no, it fell. Blood, do something. Yes! Blood got the cannon out of the car. Turning now. Now the cannon is totally defeated. Mark, get in the car. I'm inside it. Quick, let's go. Blood, quick, do something, do something. Something. He did. Yes! Is the red dragon defeated? No, the cannon. Oh, but there are hundreds of those back there. What? Get the net. Let's catch the dragon. Okay. Let's go. Miss, get it again. Miss. Sir, the net's too small. Oh, come on. Let's do something about it. Coming. Come and get me. Can somebody help me? My legs are gone. Yay! The legs fell off the dragon. Yay! We've got to fix up this huge mess. I know, we have to. So let's start. Okay. First, let's slow the dragon. Guys, let's do something. Look, we haven't cleaned up anything. Okay, let's start. Guys, there's a problem. A ghost has been attacking the city.